one of the advantages of using TikTok to run your ads is that you get to run your ads for a very cheap and affordable price, and you get results very fast. Almost immediately your ads get approved and you start running ads. And if you are very good with what you're doing, you could be getting a lot of sales for a very cheap price, for a very affordable price. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your ads on TikTok. A lot of people want to run ads on TikTok, but they don't understand how ads objective works. So in today's video, I'm going to just quickly show you how ad objective works, how you can use it for your ads so that you can get the best results. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you are welcome. My name is Awajima Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get in, kindly give this video a like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any of the things I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you straight into my dashboard for running the ads, and I'll show you what ads objectives you should be using so that you can get the best result for your business. So right here, what you are seeing on your screen is the dashboard of my TikTok studios. This is where you're going to set up your ad campaign. Now, it is very important to understand that you are not just setting this up. You must understand what you expect to get from your ads. Do you want to get a following? Do you want to get more following? Do you want to get more sales, like maybe if you sell a physical product? Or do you want to get leads to a group, quality leads to a group? You need to understand the reason and the purpose of why you are running your ads. That is what is known as your goal. That is what is known as your ad objective. So looking at this right now, where do you go if you want to get more following? Let's say you want to grow your following on your TikTok. How do you do that? That is where the boost option comes in. You see this place that says boost account. If you want to grow your following, that is where you need to go to. If you want sale, like you want to do direct selling of physical products, you will come to this place. But you should have your website, or you should have a landing page ready to sell. Okay, if you want to get leads, maybe you're an affiliate or you want to train people online and you want to send them to a WhatsApp group, you are going to use the get leads option. These are three basic objectives that you need to know about when you are running your ads on TikTok. However, all of these goals have like sub goals or sub objectives. Like if you check the boost account option, you're going to see some others underneath it. If you go to the get sales option, you're going to see just one option. If you come to the get leads, you are going to see more options underneath it. So all of these are what makes up your ad objective. So it is very important for you to understand all of this before you go ahead and set up your ads and run your ads. There's more to setting up and running your ads if you want to succeed with running ads on TikTok. So if you really want to learn how this works, you want to learn how you can set up and run ads for your business seamlessly, then you need to go to the link in the description to check the link that will lead you to join my training, or check the link, it will lead you to where you're going to get the course, the full course, where I show you step by step and explain everything you need to know about setting up and running your ads on TikTok. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.